Listen, AI is changing everything, and if you know how to use it, you can make money without coding, without a big budget. I remember when I first tried out AI, I was very curious. I used ChatGPT to write an ebook in one day. Okay, I sold it for $10. In one week, I made $300, which was very impressive for me. I had never made any money online with AI before this way, and so this was very impressive. I was very excited. I was very happy. That's when I realized I can actually make money using AI. So I realized AI can work for you. Just need the right strategy. Now, most people think AI is too hard, right? They think AI is very complex. They hear the word machine learning and so they give up because machine. When you just hear this word machine learning, this sounds like a big thing, and so they give up. But here's the truth: AI is just a tool. It is just a tool. It doesn't need to scare you. It's just like a phone, like a laptop. You don't need to build it. You're not building anything. You just need to learn how to use it the right way. If you're someone who wants to make extra money online, if you want to work from home, if you don't want to struggle with technology, this is for you. And so I want to share with you how you can make money with AI. Firstly, you can create ebooks and courses, just like I did myself when I just first started using ChatGPT. AI can help you write fast. You can package your knowledge and skills and sell it online. That's just the first thing. The second thing, AI can generate designs. You can use tools like Canva AI to create logos, flyers, and also social media posts. Then you can sell them. This is the second thing that you can do with AI. Thirdly, you can actually create chatbot services. Businesses need chatbots. Set up a simple AI chatbot and charge monthly fees for it. Okay. Then you can also come up with AI powered content creation. So you can use AI to write blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, and these ones, businesses, they pay for them. Okay, that's the fourth one. The fifth one, you can use AI to create videos for you. You can use AI in video creation. Tools like Pictory turn text into videos. Start a faceless YouTube channel, or you can sell video services. Now, here's one thing you have to know: you have to start small. You don't have to be big when you're just starting out. You are not going to be big as you are starting. Okay, you're not going to be big. So you also have to pick one method. Don't be everywhere. Then take action. You can start today. Now, AI won't make you money if you just watch. Truth is, a lot of people are making money out there, and you can become one of them. All you have to do is move and take action. Be courageous to do things that are unknown, things you've never done before. And if you need a guide, I'm here to help. Just let me know in the comments. So, this is how you can actually make money online with AI. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.